we'll guide you through how to make dark photos brighter in Lightroom. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Lightroom on your PC to begin editing the dark photo. Once Lightroom is launched, import the photo you want to edit into the application. After the photo has been imported, select the photo from the library module to prepare it for editing. Next, click the Develop module to access the photo editing tools and adjustment settings. When the Develop module is open, open the Basic panel to view the main lighting controls. Inside the Basic panel, increase the exposure slider to make the overall photo brighter. Adjust the exposure level until the image receives the desired amount of light. After increasing the exposure, adjust the shadow slider to brighten the dark areas of the photo. Increase the shadow value to reveal more details in areas that appear too dark. Next, increase the highlight slider if needed to improve the brightness of the lighter areas in the image. Adjust the highlights level to balance the bright parts of the photo without losing details. After that, adjust the white slider to improve the brightness of the brightest areas in the image. Continue by increasing the black slider to create better contrast and add more depth to the photo. After adjusting the black levels, modify the contrast slider to control the difference between the light and dark areas of the image. Review the brightness changes on the photo and check how the adjustments affect the overall appearance. Compare the edited photo with the original version to see the difference after applying the brightness adjustments. If needed, make additional adjustments to the exposure, shadows, highlights, whites, blacks, or contrast settings until the photo looks balanced. Once all adjustments are complete, save the editing changes to keep the modifications applied to the photo.